Hello students, let us solve some of the multiple choice questions related to principles of inheritance and variation. If a hybrid express a character, it is dominant. A plant having genotype of this particular type will produce two types of gametes. For example, the gamete having ABC type and the gamete having A small b capital C type. So two types of gametes. Color blindness is a X chromosome linked recessive trait, and in this disease genetic disorder what happens, the individual, because of the defective genes in the X chromosome, unable to develop color sensitive retina cells in the eyes, and that individual unable to differentiate the color. So the defective gene present on the X chromosome, and this is recessive, means in the presence of, for example, if in case of female, if you find such kind of karyotype that it has two X chromosome but one X chromosome having defective genes that is responsible for color blindness, but this defective gene will not express in the presence of dominant healthy X chromosome. Whereas in case of male having defective X chromosome along with Y chromosome, in this case this person will be definitely colorblind. This happens when a carrier woman having defective genes of color blindness marries to healthy male. So in this case 25% chances are there that a son may develop color blindness. In most species, mitochondrial DNA passed down. Mitochondrial DNA, also write it as mtDNA, and mitochondrial DNA passed down from mother, to both sons as well as daughter. Mitochondrial DNA passed down from mother to the both sons and daughter, but sons cannot pass along their mitochondrial DNA to their children, because mitochondrial DNA is transmitted through female egg. Mitochondrial DNA is transmitted through female egg. So the answer is mother. Where are the genes for cytoplasmic male sterility in plant located? So cytoplasmic male sterility CMC in the plant unable to produce functional pollen. If these genes are there, the plant unable to produce functional pollen grains. So the answer for this is the cytoplasmic male sterility genes are located in the mitochondrial genome. Mitochondrial genome. Dash is a type of trait whose phenotype is influenced by more than one gene. So the answer here is polygenic trait or polygenic trait. Example: skin color, eye color, height and weight in human. So these are the traits which is controlled by more than one gene. Example: skin color. An individual collection of genes is called as genotype. Simple question. A man marries a woman and both do not show any apparent trait of inherited disease. 5 sons and 2 daughters are born, and out of 5 sons, 3 of their sons suffer from a disease. However, none of the daughters is affected. This following mode of inheritance for the disease is. So here only sons are affected. It means it is, the disease is sex linked recessive. Sex linked recessive. That's why it has been affected to only 3 of their sons, but daughters were not affected. Definitely, it is X-linked recessive disease. A trait that overpowers and hide another trait is, of course, dominant trait. Why is hemophilia? Hemophilia is a disease where a protein responsible for the clotting of the blood is not going to be produced in case of hemophilia. That leads to bleeding. That's why it is also called as bleeder's disease. So question is, why hemophilia, a disease that is more commonly seen in males? Again, here also this hemophilia also is a disease is X-linked recessive. Here the genes responsible to produce clotting proteins are present in X chromosome. There you can find mutation, and those genes in the presence of healthy X chromosomes are not going to express. That's why it is not affected mainly to the females. Whereas if that mutated X chromosome is there along with Y in case of males, then it is going to express and unable to produce proteins responsible for the clotting. That's why it is mainly seen in males. Females will be mainly carriers, and if it is if the carrier mother transfer its defective X chromosome to fertilization, then the males will be usually affected. The crossing of F1 to homozygous recessive parent is called as test cross, and in the test cross we are taking the F1 hybrid which is heterozygous, and it is crossed with the recessive parent. For example, dwarf recessive parent, homozygous dwarf recessive parent crossed with the heterozygous F1 individual, that is called as test cross, and it is very helpful to know the genotype of the plant. So test cross is used to determine the genotype of the plant or genotype of the individual. ABO blood group. ABO blood group system is due to multiple alleles. A single gene I has 3 different alleles: IA, IB, and small I. All these are going to control the blood grouping in man, where IA and IB are dominant over small I. That's why ABO blood group is showing multiple allelism. In humans, the dominant relationship between the A and B alleles of ABO blood group genes is an example of codominance. Example for codominance, because the two alleles capital IA, capital IB, if both are present together, both are going to express their characters, and the blood group of the individual will be AB, blood group AB. So that shows codominance. The distance between the gene is measured by, very important question, the distance between the gene is measured by map unit, MU, map unit, or it is also called as centimorgan. Centimorgan, CM, centimorgan, or map unit, means the unit used to measure the linkage, linkage reduces the frequency of hybrid. Means there are two types of linkage. First of all, linkage means physical association of genes on the chromosome. Complete linkage, where the genes are closely associated together on the chromosome. Incomplete linkage, the genes are far apart. So complete linkage shows less recombination, and incomplete linkage shows more recombination. The distance between the gene and the percentage of recombination shows direct relationship. Direct relationship means, as I said, now there are two types of linkage, complete and incomplete. So Th Morgan experiment shows the conclusion that higher the linkage, lesser the recombination, lesser the linkage, higher the recombination. So there is a direct relationship in that. So HbA and HbS both are alleles, HbA for normal RBC and HbS for sickle celled RBC. So in if there is a HbS, then the hemoglobin production will be less. If it is in heterozygous condition, then hemoglobin production will be neither too less nor too more. Means in case of sickle cell anemia, the production of hemoglobin will be less, where that leads to decrease in the oxygen carrying capacity of the blood. It's also a serious issue. So HbA and HbS alleles of normal and sickle cell RBCs are both are codominant. Okay, so if both are present, then because of the presence of HbA normal gene, the hemoglobin production will be taking place, and that is enough for carrying the oxygen in the person. But such persons should be careful in case of mountain climbing, or if they are living in a high altitude where there is a less oxygen. Sex is determined in humans. Sex is determined in the humans during at the time of fertilization. At the time of fertilization itself, we can determine whether during fertilization the sperms carrying X chromosome or the sperms carrying Y chromosomes are involving in the syngamy. The X body of Henking was observed. The X body of Henking was observed half of the sperm. It is half of the sperms during spermatogenesis. Which of the following trait of garden pea studied by Mendel was a recessive? The recessive one is a green seed color. Green seed color is the recessive feature in case of pea plant. So thank you.